Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can. Just before we start, I only have 5 minutes until my next reservation. Is that okay with you, or it's up to you? I don't mind.
Okay, no problem. So, yes, I have to practice my listening skill, and also I want that I want to practice my English. So you should ask me a rapid fire question. So I will be answering you. So in that way, I think I can consume 5 minutes in a better way.
Cool. Okay. So, what is your name and where do you come from?
I'm from India. And what was the previous question?
Your name?
Mohammed Ramzan.
Mohammed Ramzan.
Yes.
Very good. And where in India do you come from?
I am from Jammu and Kashmir, northern part of India.
Kashmir. Oh my God, I'm sorry, Kashmiri.
Difficult and interesting question I have required.
Yes. So what do you do for a living? Are you working, studying?
Yes, I am a software professional developing websites and mobile apps.
Very good. So do you work from home or do you go to an office?
Yes, I work from home. I have my own office.
Oh, nice. You're lucky. Okay. So what are your hobbies? What do you like to do when you're not working?
Yes, I like to do coding and connecting with people who are online and discussing with various issues which they are facing. So yeah, in that way, I pass my time.
Very good. Brilliant. And what are your working hours?
Yes,
You don't have working hours. You're flexible.
yes, that is flexible mostly, but nowadays I am working in the night and doing rest in the daytime.
And you're resting in the daytime. I see. Very good. So if you
Yes.
don't mind me asking, do you have any children?
No, I have not married yet.
Ah, I am not married yet.
Yes.
Okay, cool. So you are living with your parents or by yourself?
Yes, I am alone and just working on my projects.
I see. Sometimes it's the best thing, isn't it, when you're by yourself? Because you have, how do you say, time to think and to be relaxed. I'm telling you this because I have 2 kids.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so what are your plans for today?
Sorry?
Is it daytime or nighttime over there?
Yes, we have the daytime right now.
Okay, it's daytime. So what are your plans for today?
You mean that what I have done today?
Yes, or what are you going to do?
Yes, actually, after finishing this discussion, I will be working on one of my clients' issue that is in the website. So I will be solving that issue. That is the task actually.
I see, yeah, so you're a busy bee.
Yes.
By the way, your teeth are really white. I'd love to have that, your teeth.
Okay. Sorry, I couldn't able to get your point.
No, I said your teeth are very white. You look after your teeth
Yes.
very well.
What is white? What is white?
Your teeth.
My teeth means?
Your teeth. Your teeth.
Can you please write me in the comment?
Yeah. Like this, teeth.
Okay, teeth.
Yes.
So these are what?
They're very white.
Okay, yes, these are white.
Yeah.
So that means these are clean.
Yeah, of course. But not everybody
Okay.
has like such white teeth. That's what I'm saying. So what music do you like to listen to?
I don't like any type of music.
You're not fast.
Yes, no. So
Okay.
can you please tell me about yourself a bit so that I could listen to you and yeah, understand your English.
Well, unfortunately, now my reservation's calling me
Okay.
because what is it? You have 10 minutes left, yeah. So it's
Okay.
lovely talking to you anyways.
Yes, okay, bye.
Have a
Thank
good
you.
day. Bye.